Imagine you're running a factory and someone trips a breaker in the control room. No one notices until production halts. Meanwhile, IT thinks everything is fine because their dashboards show no alerts. The gap? That's exactly the kind of blind spot attackers love. That's what we're talking about today, so let's get started. Hello and welcome to another Cybersecurity 101. I'm Mark Hemingway, Creative Content Director here at Archer Energy Solutions. Today, we're talking about a challenge that's more common than you think, the divide between IT and OT. Cybersecurity isn't just an IT problem, and it's not just an OT problem. It's everyone's problem because attackers exploit the gaps between teams. So let's take a closer look. IT teams often focus on protecting data, network security, user access and compliance. OT teams, on the other hand, focus on keeping machines and production lines running, physical process safety, operational continuity. Both perspectives are valid, but when the teams don't communicate, blind spots appear. IT might patch a system, but OT might override it to avoid downtime, creating vulnerabilities. Attackers look for friction points. Some examples: a phishing email to an OT engineer with system access, while IT isn't aware of the risk. Default credentials on industrial controls that IT assumed OT had secured. Misaligned monitoring: IT sees network traffic, OT sees device status. No one notices abnormal activity until it's too late. Real-world incidents show that many breaches happen because teams aren't talking. Closing these gaps starts with culture, not just tools. Encourage regular cross-team meetings where IT and OT share updates. Provide cross-training so each team understands the other's priorities and challenges. Make security a shared responsibility. Everyone signs up for vigilance, not just compliance. Small, everyday habits go a long way. Use strong, unique passwords for all accounts. Enable MFA whenever possible. Report unusual activity even if it seems minor. Keep software and systems up to date. These actions protect both IT networks and operational systems. It's the little things that add up to big defenses. Security works best when no team is left in the dark. IT and OT thinking like one cohesive unit is more than a policy, it's a mindset. Because attackers are counting on silos, miscommunication, and blind spots. But when IT and OT share awareness and responsibility, they make those gaps disappear. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone you know who could use a little more insight on IT and OT. Also, don't forget to follow us on our socials, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or X. Stay safe out there. Use MFA. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
You can catch new episodes every Thursday. Follow us on YouTube at ArcherU. Like, subscribe, and click the bell notification to be notified when a new episode has been released. Is there a question or a topic you'd like Mark to address on an upcoming episode of Cybersecurity 101? Leave them in the comments below and check back in every Thursday for a brand new episode.